is kind of funny because I feel like when people think of me, they do not think of an Instagram baddie. But we're gonna send it anyway. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Tori, and I am back with a whole new video. This video has been highly requested since I briefly mentioned it on my Instagram a little bit ago, but you guys really wanted to see me do this, so it's been on my radar to do for quite some time, and now I'm gonna do it. Yeehaw! Today's video, I'm going to be transforming myself into an Instagram baddie. This is basically just gonna be my makeup, and my hair is already done. But before I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. And don't forget to leave a like and a comment, as it really helps out my channel. And I think that's it. We're just gonna, oh wait, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm gonna put it, it's gonna be, a card's coming. You could win a Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, so why not enter? Okay, I think that's all my announcements, so let's just jump into the video. First thing we're going to do is prime our face. Usually I start with my foundation and my concealer on already, so you guys are getting a sneak peek. Okay, so once we prime, we are going to be using our foundation. Mine is the new one I just used in my video not that long ago. I'm pale. I need to use my self tanner, but I'm afraid to use it because it's expensive and I don't leave the house. So like, I don't want to waste all of it when we're in quarantine and then actually need it and not have any. But also, I hate being pale. You see my predicament. Once your foundation is on, we're just going to put on a little bit of concealer where we need it. What if this wasn't on? Like, what if I just like forgot to turn it on? Okay, now that we have on our foundation and our concealer, it's time to move on to the fun part. We are going to be doing our eyeshadow. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star times Shane Dawson Mini Controversy palette. This is what it looks like. This is the old one, so it doesn't have the green in it. And then I'm also going to be taking my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. So this is what it looks like. It's got these nice darker colors that you usually see the Instagram baddies rocking. Either that or they just do some eyeliner and some mascara. I wasn't going to do that because that's like my day-to-day go-to. So I thought that you guys would want to see something a little different. So here we are. So I'm going to be going in with Cry on My Couch, and that is going to be a base for everything else we're about to do. And I'm just going to be putting that in my crease. You know, I think we're actually going to use our Blue Blood palette as well. So after I go in with Cry on My Couch, I'm going to be using Diet Root Beer, which is this color right here. And I'm going to be going into my crease again. This color is very, very aggressive. Every time I use it, it goes on and then some. It's very, very in your face for a brown, which is good for this look, but not so good when you're trying to blend it out. So once you have those colors on, we are going to be going into Blue Blood, and we are going to be taking Crystal Flesh. You can also use any shade of gold that you have. It's just that this is the goldest one I have. Any other shimmery color that's lighter will do the trick. So you're just going to pat Crystal Flesh on the inner corner of your lid and blend it out to meet Diet Root Beer. Once you have that on, we want the look to be a little bit darker, so I am going to go in with this shimmery purple color. I have been loving the purples lately. I don't know what it is, but I am just going to be putting that in my outer crease to darken it up. Now I'm just going to be layering that on. So once you have that, we are going to go back in with Crystal Flesh from Blue Blood, and we are just going to blend the crease to make that a little bit more seamless. And I'm just going to go in with the purple and the Crystal Flesh until it is the color that I like. Okay, so once that is done, you are going to take any white shade. I am using Colinin from Blue Blood, and I am just going to put that on my inner corner. Next, it is time for some big, bold eyeliner. I mean, it's not super big and bold, I don't think, but a good amount of eyeliner. We're gonna go in. We're going in hard today. So we are just going to do eyeliner like we normally would. So we are just going to go in and do some winged eyeliner like we normally would. You know those days where eyeliner just like glides on perfectly and you just know it's meant to be? Today was not one of those days. So I have one that came out good and one's a trouble child, but we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen and move on. So I also went ahead and put some Crystal Flesh under my eyes, and now I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be taking this black shade, and I'm going to be going on my lower lash line. Yeah, just like eyeliner. And this is just going to add my eyes a little bit more dimension. I've noticed it's something that baddies that have darker hair do. Obviously, my hair is darker, so I'm going to be mimicking the girls with a little bit darker hair. We tried blonde. We went there. It wasn't as fun as I thought it would be, and now we purple and brown. Because Grace is an idiot and she didn't dye her hair right, but we're going to go back in and dye it right soon. Now that we have that, we're going to go back in with the white from Blue Blood, or any white that you have, and we are just going to meet the black so that it blends into this light a little bit more. So now we are going to put our false lashes on. Mine are magnetic, so I'm going to go put on that eyeliner and then I will put on my false lashes and I will be right back. Okay, so once you have your lashes on, it is time for some mascara. I'm just going to be taking my Pumped Up Maybelline mascara and going over my falsies and then making sure to coat my bottom lashes. Okay, once we have that on, it is time to do our brows. I am just using my Wow Brow from e.l.f. to make my brows stand out a little bit more. You guys know I don't do a ton with my brows. I used to. Now we're doing things a little bit more naturally. Okay, so once our brows are on, it is time to move on to our face. For our face, I'm going to be using the Blue Blood palette for my bronzer. I'm going to be using Celebrity Skin because, yes, I am in fact that pale. So let's just bronze our face. So once we have our bronzer on, it is time to put on our blush. I'm going to be using my Becca half highlighter, half blush. Since they have mixed, I'm not going to put highlighter on today since it's going to probably just mix with my blush when I put it on. But I'm just going to do my cheeks and my nose. And you guys know I've been doing this for a little while because it makes you look like you have a little bit more sun on your face than you actually do. And we all know I'm here for any tricks to make me look like I go outside. Okay, so once your blush is on, it is time for the final step, which is going to be our lips. And for today, I'm going to be using this Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Head Over Heels. If you want to line your lips, you can do that too. I usually don't just because it's not exactly my thing. So we are just going to put that on. Okay, so this is the completed look. And now we are going to go into our favorite part of the video, a montage. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, even with my eyeliner technical difficulties. It was a good time. I'm here for this look, and I think I really like it, and I might actually start wearing it more. Oof. Okay, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want it. It really helps out my channel. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment of what you thought of this look, and if you want to see a hair tutorial on how I did this. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.